Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to cook some pechay. Quick and easy for you. Okay, first off, lagyan natin siya ng oil and garlic.
Try?
Okay, here comes the pechay.
Nagamay na ba ito? Ha? Ba?
How long to
Cover? 3 minutes?
Okay, so cover your pechay, everybody, for 3 minutes. Okay, it's a few minutes now and we're putting in some of the Mamacita's oyster sauce. Mga ilan kaya yun?
1 tablespoon?
Maybe around 1 tablespoon of Mamacita. Pechay is starting to cook. So there we have it, guys. Quick and easy how to make pechay. It's just 3 quick ingredients. Well, 4 kung sasama mo yung oil. Oil, garlic, pechay, and the oyster sauce. That's it. You have a really good meal already. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next Lutong Bahay with Nanay video. Kain na din kayo. Pechay. Look at how beautiful that is.
Guys, iba talaga pag si Nanay ang nagluluto. Tingnan niyo, pechay! Ubus na ubus na. Now we have to clean our plate.
Tingnan nyo, pechay, walang-wala na. Iba talaga pag si Nanay ang nagluluto. Hi, see you in the next Lutong Bahay with Nanay video. Bye-bye!